All right, we're gonna replace a blower motor today, and then also a hot surface igniter for a Coleman mobile home furnace. So let's get started. This blower was making a lot of noise. The bearings are most likely gone. The original motor, it's a 1999 furnace. Yeah, you can see all the oil. It's all over the shaft, the set screw. And all that play. Alright. See if we can get this loose without getting the pulley out. Alright, let's put some penetrating oil on there. Some of that rust buster. Let that sit on there for a little bit. See if we can get it out. All right, see, we got it free. That oil get down on the shaft. We'll get some emery cloth and clean up the top right here. This should come right off. Get this all cleaned up. Should come right off. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, that thing should come right out now. There it is. All right, we're gonna clean up this housing and this blower and hit it with some water and dry it down real good. All right, got that all disassembled. The wheel, housing. Give this thing a good cleaning. Oh, almost got hit. we got the housing, everything cleaned up. I'm gonna see if I can reuse this factory bracket, still in good condition, and then I don't have to drill any new holes. This one was 1/2 horsepower. You can just see the movement on the shaft. So we got a new 1/2 horsepower motor here from US Motors, capacitor there. So let's start getting all this back together. All right, let's see if we can use this bracket. Pretty sure we should be able to. Let's just tighten it down and see how it fits. Crooked, just gotta straighten it out a little bit. Should be even all the way around. Okay, let's try that. All right, yeah, I was able to use the existing bracket. So that's always a good thing. Got some cardboard stuck in there. Take that off. All right. So yeah, we were able to use the factory. I just had to do a new screw location. I mean, it was a little off, but I was able to just redo the screws, screw holes, the motor's in there really tight, wheels free, so got this set screw nice and tight, got it centered as best as I could. So let's clean up this wiring and put it in. All right, well, we got the blower all mounted, capacitor mounted, got my ground screw there. On these Coleman furnaces, I always reuse the factory Molex plug because it plugs into the side of the box instead of running the wires all the way through. This is just more convenient. Got my wire nuts there. I ran out of zip ties. I usually zip tie these, but I just electrical taped them for now. So let's get this igniter on now, and then we'll put everything back in and see how it works. stubborn. There we go. That one off. Alright, so this igniter is getting pretty chalky. So I just told the homeowner, hey, now that we have it open, this will just prevent another callback. It's probably really broke. Let's just give it a little tap test. Yeah, wasn't even hitting it that hard, but it was about to go anyway, so got a new one there. See how the difference on the igniter is. Push off that little flame sensor for now. Go. That is pretty close to that piece of metal there, so I'm gonna actually bend that back just a tad bit, just like that. So it's not touching that igniter. That was really close. Too close for comfort. Get done, finish feeding these wires through. All right, let's go put this thing in now. All right, I've got the igniter fully installed there. All right, let's go plug everything in. All right. Okay, let's get this burner in. Alright, that's all done. Alright, got that all installed. Let's do the blower. Alright, let's get this blower in. Blower in. Alright, let's turn this back on. Pressure switch. And it should ignite here. So the main issue is that blower, the whole blower was just making a bunch of noise. It was bouncing around and shaking the whole thing. So yeah, I changed it. The motor is pretty much over 20 years of age. There's the igniter. Wait for that blower to come on. It takes a few minutes.